And then this looks out to the backyard garden area. So there is a fenced off garden. The current owners have a dog. So this keeps the dog out of the garden. And nice trees and grass. And I can walk out in the back if you like. Grab my shoes. Anybody on the call want to see anything in particular while I'm walking around? Hello, Eric, are you there? So let me know, do you want just a general tour around the house, or is there anything specific you want to take a look at?
Yeah, could we start at the front, I guess?
Yeah.
The front door?
Absolutely. Let me get on over there and I'll turn the camera around.
How many people have you had come through so far?
It's been pretty constant. I actually haven't even set the camera down. Right when somebody leaves, there's been somebody else, or there's been 3 people at a time. So it's kind of like at a regular open house, in and out. So I'm standing right at the front door in the back corner of the room, and this is the living area. And you'll see there's overhead ceiling fan and light, and then this nice window seat area out to the front window, or front yard, sorry. And there's these really nice adjustable blinds, so they can be full privacy or just sheers.
Why are the owners moving?
They plan to move for the last like 6 months or so. They're relocating to a different state.
Okay.
And
you have a gimbal?
I do.
Oh, that looks good. I can tell.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks. So there's really nice hardwood throughout the living room and the hallway. It's stained a dark, like walnut color. I'll see it down the hallway. And then the kitchen and bathrooms are tile. So this is a porcelain tile floor. A low maintenance, easy grout. The owners were very conscious about cleaning things easy, so they've kind of put in some nice materials to make it easy to clean.
When did they renovate it? Was this just done?
The kitchen and this floor obviously was done in 2000. No, not just 2000. I think it's 2016 November.
Okay.
And the hall bath was I think a year less than that, or recent. I have it in the disclosures, all the updates and the dates.
Okay, cool.
But recently, but not for sale, not for resale, just recently done. And the solar panels, this is full solar, has a 5 kilowatt solar panel owned by the sellers. So they have pretty much no power bill. And that was installed in 2015.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, it's a huge feature. They their true up last year was $80 for the entire year, and the wife is home and the kids are home a lot, so they're using power all the time. And I'm enjoying wonderful air conditioning right now, courtesy of the sun. So nice features. This is the step down family room. So there's the dining.
Is that carpet there?
Yes, I'm on carpets. And this door here goes to the garage.
Can we see in the garage? I'm sure it has all the stuff in it.
Yeah. I'll show you. You definitely can see, but it is pretty full. And then this is out to the patio. And again, I don't have the light on, but there's a ceiling fan and light here as well. I'll show you the garage.
Okay.
So the laundry is right here.
Yeah, I was going to ask. You knew exactly what I was going to ask. I was asking about the laundry.
Yeah, laundry's right there next to the furnace and water heater.
Okay.
On the, like, basically behind that kitchen wall. And then there's cabinets there. There's also cabinets back here, like at the foot of the garage. And then that's the side door access.
Yep.
And there is nice overhead storage as well. So they have like a loft built up there for extra storage, and also straight above me as well, but can't give you a good eye view of that.
No, I see. It's a two-car garage.
It's a 2-car garage. Yeah, it has about, I'm guessing, 2 feet on each side of the door. This side has a workbench and more cabinets.
They're going to take the gun safe, I assume?
I would assume. The owner is a police officer.
Okay.
So I would imagine he's taking his gun safe with him.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
It's nice you have a gimbal. I got a gimbal last year too.
Yeah.
It's
When you're walking
impossible
around, it
without
makes
it.
it, yes,
It
it
looks
makes
so
it way,
terrible.
yeah, it's like bump, 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 right? It's hard to follow. Do you want to see the bedrooms or the backyard first?
How about the bedrooms, since you're
Okay.
in the house?
Yeah. So we'll go down the hallway, and then this first room on the door on the left is the first bedroom. The door on the right is the hall bath. So I'll start in the bedroom, and we'll go to that hall bath.
Okay.
So the bedrooms are carpeted as well, but again, the hallway is hardwood. And
do you remember about when they did the flooring, the hardwood?
No, it was earlier than the kitchen, I believe.
Okay. How long have they been in the house?
A very long time. He bought it as a single man, and they've been married like 15, 16 years.
Okay.
So probably 20 something. I don't know.
Okay.
All the closets have organizers. So the bedrooms, you see they have drawers, and then they have two hanging rails or rods. And all the doors, including those closet doors, are all 2-panel upgraded with brushed nickel hardware. Everything's matching. And in the hallway, I don't have any lights on. There's sun tunnels. That's a sun tunnel.
Nice.
And then there's the light, and then another sun tunnel. So it's nice and bright in here. And then here's the hall bath. This was, like I said, I think this was 2016, a little bit more recent, or 2017. The kitchen's 2016. So a little more recently. This is all nice porcelain tile, low maintenance, and even the wife wanted to make sure that this has a low maintenance coating on the shower door. But there's a really nice glass inlay that is like blue, kind of clear, grayish. And it's also behind the mirror completely, which is really a cool feature.
Okay, cool.
And then there's another towel bar behind the door. But behind there is the hall closet. So there's linens here. And
it's pretty deep.
Side, it's really deep. Yeah, it's pretty, probably almost 2 feet or more than that, actually. Yeah, it's really deep. And then this is the like coat closet, or they use it for storage also, or vacuums. And then across from that linen closet is the second bedroom here.
Okay.
And also a ceiling fan, and the same closet organizer as the last bedroom. And they also have really high-end switches in all the bedrooms. So these are nice Lutron dimmable light and fan control switches. So
are they the smart Lutron ones or not? Do you know?
I don't think so, but I don't know for sure. They did not mention to me specifically. I have those, so I know what you're talking about. But
I have those too. So the cassettas, they're really nice. They look the same. So
they do. Sure the form factor is the same, but
no,
I'm
like
not sure.
The font on it too, like those those things look the same. That's what I was asking. Yeah.
So this room they use as an office. It just has an overhead light, not a ceiling fan.
Okay.
And this is this looks out to the backyard. So they have a fenced off garden area with a shed in there. They had a dog, so they were keeping the dog out of the garden. And then I'll take you back out there. But there's part of the lawn. And then this closet doesn't have drawers. It has shelves and hanging space because they had used it as an office. But there's more a full length hanging on the other side, and then this split hanging on this side.
Okay.
So still very functional closet. And then the master bedroom faces the backyard. It's at the end of the hall to the right, and it has glass closet doors and double organizers. I have it open from a previous buyer was looking. This is 2 hanging rods here. And then you see the inside has the drawers as well. So there's 5 drawers and shelves. And then on this side is just 1 hanging rod, full length. And looking out to the backyard patio.
And they're dual pane windows, right? It seems like they're newer windows.
They're dual pane windows. I'm not sure exactly when they were done, but they are dual pane. And one of the great features, this property has, they're called up and down blinds. So you can do like privacy if you want and still get light, or you can do it the traditional way, right? And have it hang from the bottom and just have light at the bottom. So they're all Hunter Douglas high-end blinds. And here's the master bathroom. It has tile floor as well, and a tile shower.
Did they do this when they did the hall bath, or different time?
No, the master bath was done a while ago, but the vanity they just did.
Okay.
The vanity, and that might just be it, actually. The vanity, maybe obviously the sink hardware, I guess. But the tile, it says in the disclosures, I want to say like 2005 or something, they did the master shower.
Okay.
And it has a bench there.
Nice. Bench is nice.
Yeah, absolutely. But it's tiled all the way to the ceiling. It has this nice big door. And everything's matching silver. So that's the 4 bedrooms. I can take you back down the hallway to the backyard.
Sorry, what was the square footage of the house again?
It's 1555.
Okay.
And it's a 6,100 square foot lot.
Okay.
And that is a wood burning fireplace. They just have candles in it right now.
Okay. It's nice. Painting the whatever the fireplace is nice. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, the air conditioner just popped back on. So here's the patio. So the air conditioning condenser is actually on the roof. Yeah, that's why I heard it. Yeah, they don't. It's nice it's not on a side yard or stuck in the front yard or something, right? Because
I've seen it only once before where it's on the roof.
Yeah, well, they do that at like big buildings, right? Like schools and stuff. So welcome, whoever just joined. Welcome.
Do they have do they have a sprinkler system?
Yes. Yeah, it's all automatic sprinklers.
Okay.
And there's 2 nice trees here in the back fence line.